Now 4 sessions completed. Now we are entering into 5th session. First 3 sessions we have given introduction to Python, and 4th session we have started programming introduction. Yesterday we have written around 3 to 4 programs. Now we are going for remaining programs. Who have missed the previous classes, you don't require to worry. My team will be sharing you that WhatsApp groups. You joined in WhatsApp group. And they will share you the previous session videos to you. You go through the previous session videos, and by today it's a 5th session. So remaining sessions, yeah, you can have like continuously, right? That is a story. Join in WhatsApp group. Our team is going to share, right? In WhatsApp group, they will share you the 2 things. Number 1, Python software installation document step by step. Second thing is what previous videos, right? Now come back to our discussion. Let's go for next program. Are you able to listen my voice, all of you? My team will wait, don't tense. The team will share you the WhatsApp group links to you. You join by end of the session, right? Are you able to see my voice, all of you guys? So I'm writing. Are you able to see my notepad? Right, come on. My question, I'm writing question, you write the answer. But just checking the notepad is visible or not. I'm writing question, you write the answer. I'm writing question, you write the answer in chat window. By that I can get confirmed that you are able to see, all are able to see. Yeah, I hope everybody are able to write the answer for this question. I was wondered with your answers. Only one simple question I asked: who is your favorite hero? Majority of the people written Junior NTR, Allu Arjun, Nani, or something like that. But my question to you, all the people, is Allu Arjun or Junior NTR is paying the course fees for you? No, your father is paying the course fees for you. So, as per my knowledge, I hope I'm expected that somebody are giving your father, your husband, your wife, your brother, your sister, your family members too. Any one person should be your favorite hero, not Allu Arjun. Allu Arjun, Junior NTR, Mahesh Babu, Pawan Kalyan. These are not real-time heroes. These are real life heroes. Try to understand. There is a big line between the real-time hero, real hero. Try to understand. Don't be in that mask, come out of that. Right. Now come back to our discussion. Let's go for a program. Right. So we'll do what you know. We'll write the programs by using variables today. Programming by using variables. Programming by using variables. Till yesterday we have written some printing messages, all these things. But before that, let me explain about the course, how it was, a total about little introduction about the course. Who are attending today is the first session, they can understand about this. That is what exactly. Right. My team is shared you the WhatsApp group in chat window. Jyotirmay is shared you. Try to join that link, all of you. So I am also sharing the same link because you may get confused. Yeah, I'm sharing to all. Try to understand. Join in that WhatsApp group. Yeah. Okay, now right. Next, to come back to our discussion. Yes. Total, this course will be divided into 2 parts. Part 1 is core Python, 20 sessions, free sessions, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Part 2 will be advanced Python. That will be Monday. We are planning to start. It's a 2 months course, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So it's a paid course. For advanced Python, we are taking 100 registrations. About this fees, everything I've already explained yesterday. Again, I'm telling you. For India students, 6,000. For abroad students, 150 USD. Regarding this fee registration, You can contact this number. You can ping to her. She will give you the full details how to pay the fees. Now, come back to technically today's class programming by using variables. Like let's say what is variable? What is variable? Any answer for this question? Do you have any answer for this question, all of you? What is variable? What is variable? Right. A field, a field, a field which a field which represents some value, but that value can be changed is called as variable. A field which represents some value, but that value can be changed is called as variable. A field which represents some value, but that value can be changed is called as variable. Variable. Syntax to declare, try to record the notes simultaneously. Syntax to declare variable. Syntax to declare variable. So now I am going to explain how to declare variable, how to declare the syntax. Anyone can tell the syntax to declare a variable fast? Anyone can tell what is the syntax to declare a variable fast? Anybody can tell you the syntax to declare a variable in Python. Whenever you are declaring a variable, video off, all of you guys, off the videos, not required your videos. Video off, all of you. Right, come on. Now you see, there is not required to declare the data type here. Off your videos, just listen the class. Audio is enough, my screen is enough. Variable name equal to value. Variable name equal to value. You don't require to declare the data type in case of Python. In case of Python, we don't require to declare the data type. In other languages, you require the data types. Here doesn't require. The data type will be taking by taking care by the execution engine based on the value which you are assigning. Now try to understand here. Example 1, A equal to 10. Example 2, B equal to 10.5. Example 3, C equal to Rama. Example 3, C equal to Rama. Right, I think so. You are recording simultaneously. Recording notes is most important activity in my class. If you are neglecting, you are the loser. Right, try to understand. Example 3. So here you can observe this. A is the variable name, 10 is the value. Here you can observe that B is the variable name, 10.5 is the value. Here you can observe that C is the variable name, Rama is the value. Rama is the value. Right. Have you recorded all of you guys? Right. Now I'm going to explain what is 10, what is 10.5, what is Rama clearly. Just wait. But before that, I have to show you the how this variable will create in the memory, how the 10 will store into A, how the memory will allocate for B, how the 10.5 will store into B, that I'm going to show with small diagrams. Right, up to here, have you recorded all of you guys? Come on, respond in chat window properly. I am observing your chart simultaneously. Don't underestimate me here. I am not your college faculty. This is R.N. Reddy, who have handled 150 batches, 30,000 I trained, around 25,000 I placed in different companies. So when I am teaching classes, company HRs will stand in front of my room. Okay. So every day I will have multiple meetings. I will give the appointments to the HRs, not HRs will give appointment to me. They will come and wait for me to recruit my students. Today also we had an agreement with a company called APT Online, which is a subsidiary company of TCS. Right. Are you clear? Don't underestimate this course. Try to utilize whether you join for paid course or free course. It's not matter for me. But every session you should be utilized. Okay. Right. Come back to our discussion. Here I am going to show you a small diagram. Whatever I am writing in my notepad, whatever code I am writing in my code window, try to record. Are you getting my point, all of you guys? So I'll make you to play football, volleyball with coding, and whatever fear about coding will be removed in 20-25 days. I'm sure about it. I'm giving promise about it. And any student who are coming from any background, whether BCom, BA background, people also can become software engineers. Percentage is not a matter. When you are passed is not a matter. Even though you are having 10 years gap also, by with my subject, you can become a software engineer in the industry. Right. Now come back to our discussion here. What's happening, sir? Yes, you see, guys, all of you. In the first line, what's happening here? You can observe. Let me. I'm sorry. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me give you a small gap. The gap I'm giving to show you the diagrams. The gap I'm going to show you the diagram. You also record simultaneously. So here, what's happening? A is the variable name. 10 is the value. A will create a mark. A will create. F will create. Because of this, this is assignment operator. RHS is having value. LHS is having variable name. And assignment operator will do what you know. It will assign RHS. RHS and a right hand side into LHS field. So like 10 will store like this. Again here B will create and 10.5 will be assigning here. 10.5 will be assigning here. Telugu those, stop your video. Telugu those, stop your video. That is, who is that person? Jyotirmay, block that guy. He is trying to access our screen. Telugu those, just Jyotirmay and Aarti, remove that user. He's a stupid fellow. Just remove him. We know intelligence team also who are trying to access, like are doing abuse in the class. We'll give your like ID to the intelligence team. We have a good friends in that. They will take care about you. Be careful when you are attending our classes. It's not like your college classes. We'll reach you like anything if you are disturbing the class. Be careful. If you are interested, just listen the class. Otherwise, just left the class. Right, you guys, you listen. Now here, there is a variable called C and create, and Rama will store here. Rama will store you. I'll knock your door. It will disturb the class. I'll knock your door. Be careful. We have a big team for that. We know how to give the career. We know how to build the career. We know how to break the career. Be careful. Now this is the story. Have we recorded all of you guys? Have we recorded all of you guys? Recorded all of you guys. Recorded amma? Andar record chesara. Right, don't ask me any questions. Just follow my class. When the cinema is going first scene, you are asking about climax scenes. Right, you observe this. Understood? All of you record. Try to record every point in your book. Right. Now, so you can observe this. Here first variable created. Here second variable created. Here third variable is created. Sir, what is 10? 10 is a numerical value. Sir, what is 10.5? 10.5 is a floating value. Sir, what is Rama? Rama is a string value. Rama is a string value. So here we need to have a basic knowledge about types of values. We have to understand basic knowledge about types of values. I'm going to explain. Yeah, right. All right. Are you understanding, all of you? Anybody are having the screen issue, any voice issue, any screen issue is there? Somebody are telling voice is not clear. Somebody are telling screen is not visible. Maybe it will be problem for 1 or 2 students due to their system problem or their internet problem. Right. Yeah, it's clear for all, it seems. Right. Now come back to our discussion. Let me give you, before we are going for big programming, we are going to have a small discussion about this one. Types of values. Types of values. Yes, types of values. Yeah, what is types of values? Number 1, numerical value. Numerical value. What is numerical value, sir? A number which is not having fractional part is called as numerical value. Is called as numerical value. Is called as numerical value. A number which is not having fractional part means there is no point, 0.5, 0.6 is called as numerical value. Example for numerical value. Example for numerical value 10 minus 10. So 10 minus 10, it can be positive or negative. A number which is not having fractional part is called as numerical value. I hope you are clear here. Did you understand, all of you here? Are you clear? Right. Next, we are going for second model. The second category, floating values. Generally, we will use these numerical values, floating values, and string values more and more. That's why I'm giving you. Before we are entering into variable programming, here you may get some confusion. That's why I'm giving this. A number which is having fractional parts is called as floating value. A number which is having fractional part is called as floating value. Example for floating value. Example for floating value 10.5 minus 10.5. 10.5 minus 10.5. So 10.5 minus 10.5. Next, third one, string values. String values, collection of characters which is enclosed with double quotes or single quotes. Single quotes is called as string in Python. In Python, single quotes, double quotes, both are allowed. But in other languages, only double quotes. Double quotes. Example for string value or string data. Example for string value or string data. Example for string value, string data. Are you clear? Right. Yeah. Example for string value, string data, double quotes. Rama, yes. Rama 1, 2, 3. Can I say is it string? Can I say Rama 1, 2, 3 is a string? Rama 1, 2, 3 is a string or not string? Yes, somebody. Rama 1, 2, 3. Rama 1, 2, 3 is also a string because it's in double quotes. But third value is double quotes 1, 2, 3. Can you tell me what is double quotes 1, 2, 3? Double quotes 1, 2, 3. Come on, tell me. Double quotes 1, 2, 3 is also a string because it is enclosed with double quotes. Double quotes 10.5. Double quotes 10.5 is what? Double quotes 10.5 is what? It is also string. String. Okay, anything is double quotes empty. It is also called empty string. Empty string. Empty string. Empty string. That's it. Now you see Rama @ 1, 2, 3. So anything you can write within the double quotes is called as string value. Is called as string value. Can be number, can be floating value, can be special characters, can be alphanumeric, can be alpha special numeric also. Everything is string. Try to understand. Are you clear? So about single quotes we'll discuss later. It is unnecessary confusion right now. But only one important point to be understand. In other programming languages, when you have a collection of characters with double quotes is called string, but you cannot have single quotes. Single quotes will use for single characters in char data type in other languages. But here, collection of characters you can keep in double quotes as well as single quotes also. That we'll discuss later. In the beginning, it is unnecessary confusion for you. I'm not explaining right now. Understood, all of you? Everybody are clear? Right. Now come back to our discussion. Right. And team, if anybody are giving stupid unnecessary messages in chat, just block that user and take the credentials of that user. Our team will handle that people. Right. Now come back to our discussion. This is about what I want to tell you. Shall we start one program by using variables, all of you? Shall we start one program by using variables? Up to here, are you recorded everything? Up to here, are you recorded everything? All of you guys, come on, tell me. Right. Respond in chat, don't sleep. Right. Now come back to our discussion. Let's start one program here by using variables. Program 1. So always whatever you are explaining is called, whatever question you are giving is called requirement. Technically we call requirement. Question is requirement. Write a Python program. Write a Python program to store person name into one variable, that is p name, and person name Rama into one variable p name, and person age, that is 20, into a variable ph. Print these two variable values by using variables only, variable values by using variables only. First, try to record the question clearly, not in shortcut manner. So my question to all the people, question is important or answer is important? Question is important or answer is important? Question is more important than answer, because if you know answer, you cannot find question. But if you can find question, sometime you can find what you know answer. Right. Right. Now come back to our discussion. Right. Right. We go for. Now onwards, we will implement every program by using 3 steps. Step 1 is design. Step 2 is program. Step 3 is tracing. Now we are going to implement step 1. That is nothing but design with the output. So that is nothing but expectable output is called design with OP. Design with the OP. Try to understand. Design with OP. Right. Come back. Right. You see. Design with the OP. Right. So my question to all the people, in this requirement, you have how many values? Right. My question to all the people, in this requirement, how many values you have? You have how many values? 2 values. So you are taking how many variables? You are taking how many variables? 2 variables. First value is what? First value is what? First value is what? First value is Rama. First value is Rama. First variable name is what? First variable name is what? P name. P name. Second value is what? Second value is what? 20. Second variable name is what? Second variable name is what? Second variable name is what? pH. 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 Now, I am going to give you the first design with OP. Design with OP ante expectable output. Nothing. Expectable output. Come on. Second step program. Third step tracing. What is that? You will see now. So here I am writing OP. Now first one variable called p name. P name. That is called Rama. Next another variable called pH. That is called 20. Now print Rama here. Print Rama here. And print 20 because you said you print with the help of variables. Rama is value, p name is variable name. 20 is value, pH is variable name. This is the design with OP and R. Every program today onwards will implement in 3 steps. Step 1, design with output. Step 2 is writing the program. Step 3 is tracing. Tracing is nothing but executing the program line by line. Executing the program line by line is called tracing. Tracing. is nothing but executing the program line by line is called tracing. Tracing, right? I hope you understood, all of you guys. Everybody are clear about this? Come on, respond in chat window, all of you, fast. Are you clear? Yes. Let's go for step 2. Let's go for step 2. Step 2, program. Means you are going to write the program here. You are going to write the program here. Program. For this, I am opening Python IDE. Only 47 people are doing the chart. Remaining all the people are hundreds of people are just sitting idle like our MLAs in assembly. Very foolishness this is. You have to respond in chat also simultaneously. Right. I am opening Python IDE. You can observe Python IDE. This is like this. Just now it's open. Now I have to create a new file. File, new file. Now new file is open. Now you write the program, boss. You write the program, boss. Come and tell me what is the first variable name. P name equal to Rama. PH equal to 20. Print of P name. Next, print of PH. Print of P name. Print of PH. Like this. Right. Understood, all of you? Right. After you record this code, save as. I'm doing, I'm saving this file. Save as desktop file name. Test.py. Py test.py. Py and Python file. I'm saving in desktop. Save. Now you can see it's asking, do you want to replace? Already we created save file. Yes. Go to desktop. Go to desktop. You see your Python file, test file, the file created. Observe. Now come back to our discussion. Come back. Come back to your code. Right. Now you see run module. Run module. Run module. Are you clear? Now you see again I'm showing you run module. Run module. Right. Yeah. Double quotes 20 kadamma, 20 because numerical value kada. Right. Even though you could put double quotes, I'll discuss everything. Wait. 20. You will get the output like this. Sir, what is this? Yes, Rama 20. Again. Now I am going to explain this with the help of tracing. Step 3. I am going to do. We told now step 1, step 2. Now we are going to do step 3. In your book, you take it. Step 3. Sir, what is step 3? Tracing, Babu. Step 3 is tracing. I am going to do the tracing now. Just observe. Tracing we are doing. In your notes, you write step 3. We are doing step 3 right now. We are doing step 3. Record in your book. Step 3. Step 3 is called tracing. Tracing is nothing but executing the program line by line. OP output. And you are just already you executed the program with the help of Python execution engine. Now you are executing the program line by line with your hands. First, this line will execute. In this line, it will create one variable in the memory. That variable name is P name with a value called Rama. Then after this, control will come to this line. In this second line, it will create another variable that is PH and the value is 20. Now it will execute third line. In this line, print of P name that is called Rama. Next, this line, print of PH. This PH is printing here, 20. That's it. This is called tracing. When you are doing this tracing, in the beginning, you will get a like questions and like overaction questions will be there. Sir, design tracing same and definitely it will be same. Design is nothing but your house plan. Program is nothing but constructing the house. And tracing is nothing but once house construction is completed, checking the each and every room. And definitely every room will be same as planned, right? But this because of this tracing technique, in the beginning you will feel that at 2 lines code now you will have a like what is that very like you will do underestimate, but this practice makes you the best in programming that you will understand after 10 days, right? Now are you clear with the tracing? Understood all of you? Are you clear? Understood all of you? Right, understood? Right, now come back to our discussion. We go for next program. 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 Right, you see. Program 2. Write a Python program to store employee information into variables like employee number 123 into ENO variable, employee name Rama into ename variable, employee salary 1000 into esal variable. Print these three values by using three variables like below. Print these values by using three variables like below. Like below. Right. Are you clear? Right. Right. Understood all of you. All your doubts will clear in future classes. It is not possible to clear one-to-one class, one-to-one student. There are 900 students, 600 students are attending the class right now. Right. Don't expect. But all doubts how to clear, sir. We will give you future one mail ID and you will shoot your question there. My team will respond. But as per my knowledge, in my class, whatever doubts you are getting today will clear tomorrow's session. We know very clearly what are your doubts. First, stop asking your doubts. Just concentrate the current class. Unnecessary excitement. Okay. RN Reddy class and there are no doubts for students. Whatever doubts you are getting, you just write on paper. By end of the today class, you will get clear. Otherwise, it will get clear at least tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Wait for some time. After 2-3 days also you are not getting clear means no doubt you can ask in mail. I'll give you mail ID. Yes. Step 1, design with OP. Design with ఈ స్టార్టింగ్ లో డౌట్స్ అడిగేటోళ్ళు ఉంటారు చూడు, అన్నెసెసరీ ఎక్సైట్మెంట్. అసలు వాళ్ళు 1 వీక్ తర్వాత క్లాసుల్లోనే ఉండరు. రైట్, అరిగ్లేరు ఆరంభ శూరత్వం, ఆంధ్రులకి ఆరంభ శూరత్వం, అడావుడి ఇంకా హంగామా. రైట్, ఓవర్ ఎక్కువ అన్నట్టు ఏం లేదు, ఊరికినే ఒక ఎక్సైట్మెంట్. రైట్, సో యాక్చువల్లీ I won't encourage doubts also. Why? Because your doubts you should clear. Why you are asking others? If you think twice and thrice, it will clear. Otherwise you will have a right, otherwise what will happen, you will have a same nature. Tomorrow I'll not come to your office, to your company. There what will happen, you will ask your doubts to your second person or third person who are where you are sitting. That person directly will go to and tell manager, this guy is asking everyday doubts, sir. I am clearing is all the doubts, so give me more salary. Like that he will try to blame you. Try to understand. Right. Try to understand. All your doubts will clear slowly. Wait. You write somewhere on your paper. If you will not trust me, automatically you will understand within 1 week. Step 1, design with OP. Because I am very much confident about my teaching. There is no chance. It's a crystal clarity. Right. Now, let's go for design with OP. Try to understand. Right. Yes. Yes, come on. Record all of you. Have you taken question, all of you? Program 2, requirement taken by all the people. Requirement taken by all the people. Don't be excited. Why you are writing already code all or something. Somebody are writing directly code. Are enta mandini chusinra bhai? Endukanta tondara adavudi? Wait. Take the question. Follow me. OP అంటే అవుట్పుట్. ఫస్ట్ ఏంటంటమ్మా 1 2 3 అనేది వాల్యూ, ENO is variable, Rama is second value, ename is variable, 1000 is third value, ESAL is variable. ENO will create 1 2 3 ename Rama ESAL 1000. Come on. In memory, 3 variables created. Remember, after that, what I said, print these 3 values. And ఇది 1 2 3 by using 3 variables like below. 1 2 3 you print. Next, Rama you print. Okay, ESAL you print. Amma you print like this. This is my requirement. For this requirement, I have to write the program. For this requirement, I have to write the program. Right. Try to understand. Right. Okay. Are you clear, all of you guys? Right. Okay. So now come back to our discussion. Yes. Come on. Right. Everybody recorded, all of you guys recorded. Design is recorded. Now we are going for program. Yes. You are going for program. Right. Let's go for second step. Step 2. Step 2, program. Step 2 is what? Program code. Yes. I'm removing the old code. I'm writing. Come on. ENO equal to 1 2 3. Design 111 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Ename equal to Rama. ESAL equal to 1000. Print ENO. Print ename. Print ESAL. Print ESAL. Save. Run. Record. Run. You see. That's it. R&D means step-by-step teaching. Wait, don't be hadaudi, Angama, if you know some basics. We go together, all of you guys. Yes, come on. Right, come back to our discussion. Right, okay. If you like my teaching, if you like my attitude, if you like my strictness, then only pay the fees for my course. I don't want. Already we have enough admissions, right? Even though I will teach for one student also, not a matter for us, right? Come back to our discussion. Right. Right. Already we saved the program. Okay, we run the program. Run. Whatever doubts you are getting, you try to check in your system. That's it. 1 2 3 Rama 1000 is output. Right. Come back to our discussion. Now we go for step 3. Is nothing but tracing. Step 3. Record in your book also very clearly, all of you guys. Try to understand. After 6 months, I am giving this Python batch. Yearly 1 or 2 Python batches, one C language batch, and 4 to 5 .NET batches I give you. Python yearly once only generally. For 2021, this is the only one batch I am giving. Try to utilize and learn the subject. Right. Now come back to our discussion. Step 3. Step 3. Tracing. Step 3, tracing. Nothing but executing the program line by line. OP. Whenever you run this code, first this line will execute. It will create a variable called ENO and value is 1 2 3. And this line, it will create another variable that is ename and value is Rama. And now this line will execute. Here it will create a variable called simultaneously. If you do also, it will be great. And now this line is executing print of ENO, that is 1 2 3 printing. And next this line print of ename, that is what you know, Rama is printing. And next, this line, print of e-sal, that is called 1000 is printing, guys. That is the story. Understood, all of you? Hello, clear? Clear, clear. Hello. Right, over. Story is completed, right? Okay, now, right? Now, we go for next program. The next program we will see tomorrow, but before that, let me ask you some homeworks here. Let me ask you, try some homeworks for today. And before that, you just record this number. You take it for payments. If you want to do payments, just take the number. Call to this number and just not required to call, just text to her. I want to do the payment. She will give you the details about the fees. And again, I am displaying here very clearly 100 registrations for India students, 6,000 for abroad students, 150, and WhatsApp to her. She will give you the Google Pay, Phone Pay, bank account, whatever you want, you can do the registration. Just keep your screenshot, like payment screenshot with you. Now come back to our discussion. And now what I am doing, I am going to give you the homework for you. Homeworks. Task 1. Write a Python program. Monday we are planning to start advanced Python. Write a Python program. Tomorrow also you have the class, even though it is Saturday. Write a Python program. Advanced Python Monday will be at 8 p.m. Core Python 7 p.m. Right. And link will be shared for advanced Python to students who are registered only. Core Python link, advanced Python link will be different. Core Python will take 20 plus sessions, 3 classes. Write a Python program to store student information, that is student ID 111 into SID variable, student name Sita into SName variable, student location Hyderabad into SLOC variable. Into these 3 values by using 3 variables. So step 1, design. Step 2, program. Step 3, tracing. You have to do 3 steps. Design on paper, program in system, tracing on paper. Only one homework I have given for you for tomorrow. Slowly the homeworks will increase. Right? Are you clear, all of you guys? Understood? Right. Okay, now are you clear, all of you guys? Homework, recorded homework. Homework is recorded by all the people. Homework is recorded. Recorded. Right? Okay. So record the homework. If you didn't record the homework, all of you guys. Thank you very much. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye-bye.